Guys, sa paglakaw-lakaw na mo ni David nangawala me. Ika-4th day na namo. So sige na mo lakaw, wala tumigikan sa kakahuyan. Pag abot na mo dire, nakoy na-discovery nga nanami sa dagat. It's a beach. It's a beach.
Hello.
It's a beach siya, guys. Turao. Naman po yung mga car. So it means beach siya.
We're still at the seaside.
Lagi seaside. Ay, there is a road Monday here, my love.
I know.
Our car is there.
Our car's over there.
Ay, yeah, our car is over there. Maybe we can travel.
Oh no, it's not worth it now.
So,
We'll head back shortly.
atong atuon dito. We will see what we gonna hear. Ay, what you gonna hear. Kung saan naadire. You can sit down there. Oh, I will show you guys.
There's a boat.
There's a boat. Si David. From there in a, what do you call that one, huh?
Forest.
Forest. From there in the forest, we come here. Oh my God. Guys, oh. Muna mo na-discovery. Naka-discovery sa bisan unsa. Here. We will see na si David. It's a seaside. May laba.
I don't know.
Here. Naman siya yung mga dagan mo sa mga sakyanan. Dito there dago kailang mga bato, guys, oh.
The tide's in.
Mga bato, gipang laray.
We don't find one of these stones.
Ay, we cannot go. Charlie cannot go. Mandiayhan.
Why would you say don't go?
No, they cannot go because there is no sun.
Yeah,
It's-
the tide's in.
Yeah, it's water. Nanamidari. Ah, it's a fort lagihan. Mura siya dungguanan sa barko.
It's not a beach area, is it?
Yeah. Dito migikan, guys, oh, diya migikan sa forest. Nagsuot-suot mi diha kay among gidiscover unsay sulod. Tapos dari mi nakaabot. What is this?
What's the sign say?
There is a boat there, oh. There is a boat. We will see. Naa siya na bangko dire. Atong basahon unsay nakasulat. The Humber Estuary, an international important site of wildlife.
Oh wow.
Ah. What did that mean?
Oh, well, you seals somewhere.
Yeah,
I can't see none.
it's not. Maybe if you go there pa. Ba? Ano siya, guys? Oh. Ano siya? Diba na si David? So, inanagid, guys, ang mahitabo. Kailangan maglakawa mo para...
He's gonna sleep.
So, let's go. Kailangan maglakawa mo para madiscover ninyo ang usa ka lugar. Para makita ninyo kung unsa pa ang naadad tong lugara. Pero nahadlok na mi, guys, kay basin marong turn mi. Yes! Kay ito gud migikan sa forest. Tapos kalit mi nakaanhi diri sa beach. Oh, grabe kay impossible. Tapos mao na siya, guys.
Charlie, I'm not boring mummy. Hey, look. I'm going that way. Look what he's following.
So, tabi apo, kay magagi na pud mi balik. Kay turam gud among car didto, guys, gi-park. Kay wa mi nag-expect nga naada inani. What can you tell? What can you say, my love, that we discover a new place?
Hi.
What can you say that we can discover the new place?
What can you say? We discovered a new place and Mary's got a finger over the camera lens.
You surprised ba?
Yeah, very. It's nice. But I saw no seals.
Yeah,
Can't see no seals, damn it.
maybe before, Honora, pwede ta mag-ingkod diri. Pag-ingkod ta, oh, di ba?
I want to see seals.
Seals.
No seals!
Na si David. Be, pwede na to ni itong atong kuan kay mag-film ta. Di ba? We go anywhere and we explore the we are here in the beach. As you can see around the area is so nice. Gikan mi dito sa forest guy, nagsuri-suroy mi hanto nakabot mi diri sa seaside. O mi kabalo nga na day dagat diri. Kay dito ra mi sa kakahuyan. Tapos palit lang mi. It's so nice. Come here, Charlie. Come here, Charlie. But we cannot go down, Charlie, because there is a sea. Ikaupat na namo nga adlaw, guys.
Let's go and find a beach.
Going back there.
Yeah, back to. I've already got directions.
Diba? Kana migikan, guys. Oh, saka si David. Oh, diba? Balik bisa mong agi kay turom ko na mo sakyanan dadto. Yes, Charlie, I came.
He's here, don't worry.
I'm come. Oh, mo na siya, guys. Oh, forest ba na siya? Sa diyang nakadto mi dito sa beach. Oh, di ba? Oh. 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 Na di I explore so that you can discover a new thing.
The agreement for today is that we're going out exploring for Mary so she can do all this. Tonight we're going to the club for David so David can get very drunk.
Tabi apo bila-bila. Nara siya, guys. Uli na mi, ay dili ha pauli pa ato mi sa masakyanan kay tura naka-park mango didto. Diba? Explore. Explore.
Well, you can't say we've not been out, love.
Explore. Grabe kayo nga kahoy, tabi apo, bila-bila. Nay underground siguro dirihan ba? Kayo? But we cannot go there. Okay, maybe dangerous or what? We're going back na to the car.
You having fun, love?
Yeah, the car is there.
I can see the car. Charlie found lots of new smells for me.
You're tired na?
No, but Charlie found lots of new smells. He's tired, look at him.
The car. Tura mong car, guys. O, diba? Bina-discover na sad nga place, pero hill siya. Pero may bala na to kung unsay naa dito. Naraw saka sa ko kay. Tanaw na to ko. We go there and we will see what we are there. Or you stay there.
I'm going up.
We will see what we're gonna see here.
I don't know, all I know is I've got a dog pulling, he's enjoying every second of this.
Host Charlie?
Yeah, he's loving it.
Pero ay, ginaw ko baklay-baklay, pinakahit ra ba gina ko ning baklay. But we will see what is there. Ay, saka sa ami sa buntod.
I don't know, I've got a dog.
It's a kwan naman dayhan. It's a farm. That's it. Yeah, but no animals here. We're going back na, okay? It's a long walk. Yeah, you go there Then you go na sa there. Oh. It's a long
This is the rescue site for the animals.
If you get an animals, you put here.
This
For
is
what?
the free site for the animals. The free.
Good. Good for animals here, duck.
Animals
Duck.
that live around here, yeah.
Yeah, you put some cow.
No, not cows.
Na guys, oh.
Birds and stuff like that.
Pero ang pinaka-enjoy sa tanan si Charlie.
He's
Charlie's
looking at
enjoying.
everything.
O, diba? Oh, nanasan mi Dani. Akong gitanaw unsa ni Dani kinagsaka mi from dito. O boss, from dito dapit. Saka mi dire. Unsa na curious ko. Agay, nani ra di ay. It's a farm. It's a long walk. Oh my God. So, we need to going back na. Pero, na ako'y nakita nga owl. So nice. Sa may nakita owl. Tura, oh, it's an owl. Oh, nalibang. Hello, no. Ah, hello, Mr. Owl. Sa paglakaw-lakaw na mo guys, ang nakita mig owl good as in. Tura, oh.
Nice.
Yeah, nakita pa yun mig owl guys, oh. Abi na kong fake, tinuod man di ay. Nakahikot siya dadto, oh.
And yes, it is real.
Yeah, it's real. Oh my God. Yeah, there is a lead there. Hello. Tinuod siya guys. First time ko kakitag owl. Guys!
We're not lost, we're not lost, we're not we're back, we're back, we're back, we're back. We're back.
Guys, we're not lost. It's a prank. 1, 2, 3 hand. 1, 2, 3. It's a prank. Because guys, we see the lighthouse already is there. Oh my God, it's a lighthouse. It's there. So we're not lost. It's a prank.